Okay, if you have a locked steering wheel, I've got my Camry here. I locked my steering wheel. I'm going to try to start it with my smart button. So when I start it, it says steering lock active. So the car won't go into the start mode or ready mode. So what you got to do is you got to take the steering wheel and you've got to pull it one way or the other to loosen it up. See, I just unlocked it. So now if I push the start button again, let's see. If I push the start button again, now this time it worked. So in essence, you just gotta take your steering wheel, give it a little movement one way or the other, and it becomes unlocked. And then your car will go into the starter ready mode. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe.